Hey guys, how's it going? Freya from Tools and Gadgets. Today we're going to be discussing about the iPhone 16 trade-in process. So I've been receiving lots of questions on my previous videos about if they ordered online or pre-ordered online, could they still go to the Apple Store and do the trade-in themselves, or they need to send it back through the trade-in kit that Apple will be sending to you after a couple of days when you receive your new phone. So basically, guys, if you received your phone through the mail, you could still go to a local Apple store and do the trade-in there yourself. It's not a problem. You don't need to bring the trade-in kit box, or if ever the trade-in kit box never arrived yet or is late, you could just disregard this. Mine arrived a couple of days after I did the trade-in in store, even though I ordered online. And if ever you ordered your phone to be picked up at the local Apple store after you backed up your files, your data, you could do the trade-in there. Tell the staff there that you would want to do the trade-in there. The process is that they would check the phone for damages, scratches, and then they would do an internal and external checks for the hardware, for the software inside. So basically, you will get your refunds a lot faster. Like only mine took around 24 hours before it was credited back to my Apple card, which I used to pay for the iPhone. So whatever credit card you used for your iPhone when you pre-ordered it online, either for pickup at store or mail it to you at your house, they would credit back the refund there depending on what you're trading in. If you're trading in a 14 or a 15, so mine, I was trading in an iPhone 15 Pro Max, so I got a refund for about $707. So I believe that that includes already the tax that I also paid when buying the 16 Pro Max. I would highly suggest, guys, if ever you got your phone through the mail or go pick up it in store, just do the trade in store, which is a lot safer. Because last year, what happened to me last year was really, I think I could say that I was traumatized of what happened to my trade-in last year, coming from the 14 Pro Max going to the 15 Pro Max. Because what happened was I already gave the trade-in kit to FedEx so that they could ship it to their the Apple third party buyer. And then after a couple of days, I received an email from Apple stating that the third party buyer said that there was no phone inside the trade in kit box, which got me thinking, hey, I would not lie, and why would I do that? So it got me thinking. When I packaged the phone, I made a video of it to show to you guys how to do the trade-in process. So I went ahead to contact Apple support and told them that, hey, I got an email for this and that, and then I told them that my phone was inside the box and how could it be gone if ever it was gone. If ever the phone was not there, then somebody could have stole it, right? And I told Apple that I made a video of it. So if you want proof, I could send it to you guys, but we never really reached it to that point that for me sending the video to them. So all the staff, the Apple support staff, they told me that they're going to escalate it and they're going to do an internal investigation. So basically after a couple of days, like 3 days, I think, I then got the email that stating that they're going to charge me the full refund of the trade-in amount that was set at that time. So wow, that was a huge relief. So also my wife, when she traded in her iPhone, she also got an email for that there was no phone inside the box. So yeah, I was really traumatized by that incident. So that's why I told myself that for the next year, which is this year, I'm gonna do the trade in store, which is a lot safer. So again, guys, all you need to do is just back up your phone, transfer all your data from your, let's say 15 going to the 16. Then after transferring it, just make sure all the files are there. Then after that, you could now erase everything or do a factory reset on your old iPhone before going to the store. So it would be a lot faster if you would reset it at home, because from my experience, I didn't reset it at home yet. So yeah, and you know, right now there's lots of people in the Apple store, so it's best that if you could just go in and out as fast as that. So just do the reset at home, because they wouldn't care if you reset it in front of them or not. As long as you bring it to them fully reset already, they would check for damages, they would check for internal problems like the hardware and stuff. And after that, when they're satisfied, they would go ahead and charge it back to your card, whatever credit card that you paid for when buying or pre-ordering the iPhone 16. So once again, guys, if ever you did the pre-order online or if ever you purchase online, pick up in store or delivery at home, you could always have the option of bringing your phone to the Apple Store within 14 days. Okay, take note, within 14 days of receiving your new iPhone 16 lineup. If it's beyond the 14 days, I don't think you could get the 650 refund anymore. I think it would pretty much go down to 400-ish or 500 if you're lucky. So yeah, just bring in your phone 14 days after you received your new iPhone 16. All right, guys. So again, if you have any more questions, put them down in the comment section below. I'll try to read them and respond to them as soon as possible. So that's about it, guys. So thank you for watching Tools and Gadgets. See you again in our next one. Bye.